So, guys, I would like to teach you that how to do the trailing stop loss and profit average in the real market, and what sort of psychology you should be maintaining. Now, if in this case you see, this is the live market. Today is Friday, 21st April 2023. अब आप अगर इस एग्जाम्पल में देखिए तो निफ्टी रिवर्स्ड अप आफ्टर 1 p.m. So it went all the way up and now it is taking support and it made another candle. Now how it goes, how to do it. For example, I make it a full screen. Now suppose this is my entering point. मैंने यहाँ पे enter किया. Once it came here, I did a profit average. मतलब मैंने इस point पे, इस candle पे फिर से एक profit average किया. It again came off. It again came down to this, and then on this decline, I again added to my existing position. तो मैंने दो profit average किए, and now I am trailing my stop loss. Now let's close this full screen view. Now when I am doing the TSL, क्योंकि एक बड़ी कैंडल यहाँ बनी, फिर इस पूरे जोन में it went sideways into this whole zone and then it is moving up. Now it's 225. So I would like to modify my stop loss to this big candle's low. ठीक है. So what I will be doing now is I'll go to the charts and you can see this is my fires account. Right now I am holding 2000 nifty calls. 2000 का मतलब होता है it's about 20 lots. 50 का एक lot है. So it's about 20 lots. Sorry, it's about 40 lots in the nifty. Yes, अब इन 40 lot nifty को I would like to move my stop loss to this candle's low. और इस candle का low है, it is let me put a cursor here. This is 285. So I would go to sell and suppose I go to invest because मैंने normal में ख़रीदा हुआ है. I could be carrying it also, but so far I always buy into delivery normal so that I can keep it if I need, and I will move my stop loss to my cost, which is 288.56. So I'll go to trigger sell and I will say okay, put a trigger to 289 to this is 288. तो अब मैंने क्या किया, this order got rejected. Let me put it again. So sell market, I'll go to 2000 we have here. I'll go to, let's keep a stop loss of firstly 1000 quantity. I'll keep a trigger sell. Suppose I like to only lose this much of green, so I will keep it around say 290 to 289. So I'll say okay, keep the stop loss here. तो मैंने stop loss को modify कर दिया 1000 quantity का यहाँ पे. तो now I am risk free in the market. Now again a GCR is formed here, so I would like to move my stop loss right here. Now this is a 2-minute chart. I'll go to a 2-minute chart. This low is of 296, so I'll modify this to okay, I will like to modify to 296 to 295. And right now in front of you can see I'm in a 28,000 rupees of profit and I'm still trailing and modifying my stop loss. I'm not exiting early, I'm just following what market is doing. It may hit new highs in the market, and you know, because you need to stay in the trade. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हम ट्रेड में कैसे बने रहें, एंड यू शुड नॉट बी कीपिंग एनी टारगेट इन द मार्केट व्हेन मार्केट इज trending, because you don't know how far it has a plan to go. So because it's 2:30, so we will be winding up around 3. तो ऐसे जब बड़ी रेंज के दिनों में रिकवरीज आती हैं तो यूजुअली यू सी कि टॉप्स जो होते हैं, हाइज जो होते हैं, यहाँ तक आके हम रिकवर करते हैं. तो राइट नाउ आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग सम 20-30 पॉइंट्स मोर on the upside. If I get 30 points or 20 points on the upside, I will be looking to book maximum profits and then will be exiting from the trade. So right now you can see we are holding into this trade. We are into this trade with the strict stop loss, right? And Let's see what happens. So this is you can say my fires account, and right now we are waiting for the market to move in our direction. Now when you are in a trade, it is very important for you that you didn't get shaken out एंड यू रिमेन इन द ट्रेंड. अगर आपने बाइंग किया है तो आपको हर लाल रंग की कैंडल डरानी नहीं चाहिए. अगर आपने सेल किया हुआ है मार्केट में तो हर हरे रंग की कैंडल आपको डराने नहीं चाहिए. यू शुड लर्न दिस आर्ट ऑफ स्टेइंग इन द ट्रेड, profit averaging, trailing stop loss, develop conviction in your trades and develop faith and trust on the market also, as long as your stop loss is intact. ऐसा नहीं कि जब हम नीचे जाए, पर जब मार्केट ऊपर जा रही है तो डेवलपिंग पेशेंस इन द मार्केट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू सी, even right now I'm not looking at the market, I'm not looking at the P&L, I'm only looking at the candle and following the money footprints in the market. So money, you see, still we are getting these wicks in the market. Now we have 40 seconds almost to for this candle's close. Let's check out here how much I'm making in front of you. I'm making 37,000 rupees in front of you. Now I would like to modify my stop loss to this candle's low 620. So this low of Nifty is around 299. So I will modify it. Let me check it again. This is 302. So every penny, every point matters when you trade with the big quantity. So let me modify almost 1500 quantity, and I modified 1500 to recent candles low. So now I'm in the money, I'm in the profits, and as soon as I get a big move, I'll be exiting all, and will show you the real P&L. So right now if you see, we are towards the high point of the day. I trailed my stop loss where to this candle's low. If अगर यहाँ पे जाके एक रेड कैंडल बनती और इस कैंडल का लो वायलेट होता, we will be exiting. So since you see I'm making around 35,000 rupees, once I get another candle straight into this zone, I would start booking profits. Yeah, so let's see. So always whenever you are using a chart, always start the count down to the candles close. How it is, like if you double click on this, you can see here it is it a countdown to bar close, to a candle or bar close. So this is showing me, okay, we have 1 minute for this candles close, राइट. 1 मिनट बचे हैं अभी इस कैंडल को क्लोजिंग होने में. जब तक कोई कैंडल क्लोज नहीं हो जाती है, आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि वो हरी है या लाल है. Right now we are not, this candle is not closed yet. So let's wait for the high to be taken out, and once the high is breached, the high is out, you will see that we could be able to make a judgment in the market. So waiting patiently for the candles close. Meanwhile we check it. Right now we are in a good position. It is trading at 306. We are maintaining the gains, just 10,000 points flickering in profit. And let's see, it's 2:32. We still have 1 hour for the market close. अभी भी मार्केट क्लोजिंग में 1 घंटे बचे हुए. इन 1 hour, in the last 1 hour, anything can happen, right? You cannot expect what's gonna happen next. So it is very important to stay in the trade. The only message I would like to tell you from this is, stay in the trade when you are in profits. If you want any sort of luck to get unfolded, any sort of fortune to happen for you in the live market, in the stock market, stay in the trade which is giving you profit. So right now we are here itself. So I'm keeping a target, maybe right, it's 306 right now, and you can see if I just reload this, the high was 324. So what I am going to do is I'm putting a target of 500 quantity, and that I will keep 10 points higher from now. So I'm keeping it at 316 for now. Let's see. राइट. सो अनदर कैंडल, ये 2 मिनट का चार्ट है. दिस इज नेक्स्ट कैंडल विच इज हेयर, and still we have 1 minute for this particular candle's close only. It is very important that you maintain your psychology, you maintain your emotions in the market when you dealing with the real money, right? And if you can master this game, you can make a winning in the market, you can make a killing in the market. Did you get this? So just stay in the trade and see what is market is going to do. अगर इसको यहाँ से नीचे भी आना होगा, इट्स ओके, वी आर रेडी टू एग्जिट एट 302, बट फॉर दैट 4, 5, 6 points, what if you get 20 points, 30 points on the upside? And for that we are staying in the trade. That leeway that room we are keeping for us for more profitability, more profits in the market. Yeah. So guys, as you all can see, it's 3 p.m. now, and in 1000 quantity my stop loss TSL got hit, and right now I'm in the trade with the remaining 1000 quantity, and just placed 500 to sell at the new high, and 500 I will sell at the market. So I'm into 27,000 rupees profits right now. And do not you need to be to remain rational in the market. You need to remain unbiased in the market. It's 3 p.m. now, 3:05, almost 3:04. How long this can go in the last 20-25 minutes? And being that today is Friday also, तो आज क्लोजिंग भी है, सो वेरी लेस पीपल वुड बी इंटरेस्टेड इन कैरिंग द पोजिशंस ओवरनाइट, स्पेशली व्हेन देयर इज़ अ लॉन्ग वीकेंड, right? So just waiting for the better exit, and around 3:15 I will be exiting, and maybe I'm looking to book somewhere around 33,000 rupees. Let's see how much I will be able to book finally. So this is this is how we stayed in the trade. Why I'm still carrying 50% quantity, because it took support here at the same level we discussed earlier, this level, right? This particular level. So it was this stop, it was retested, and again it moved up. Correct? तो देखते हैं. So let's wait for a better exit, and then I'll show you the net profit I booked. So right now it is 25,000 rupees. Market is stuck, one candle down, then pulled up, and then again in the same range. So we need to wait for a good candle to make an exit. अब ऐसा भी नहीं कि अगर अच्छी कैंडल बने तो you start keeping the unrealistic expectations from the market, and you can expect few more candles in your. No, it's like we are waiting for a good candle, and then we will be exiting. क्योंकि जब भी बड़ी रेंज होती है ना, इनिशियल रेंज अगर बड़ी थी, दिस रेंज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, दिस विल बी शॉर्ट. अगर दिन भर से छोटी रेंज होती तो दिस वुड हैव बीन लार्ज, और अभी तक नया हाई भी लग गया होता. बट दिस इज़ अ रूल ऑफ मार्केट. इफ़ द इनिशियल हाफ इज़ बिग, सेकेंड हाफ वुड बी स्मॉल. इफ़ द इनिशियल इज वर sideways, you will see the second half trending. This is how it works. So you can see the green candle coming into the market. We were waiting for this candle, and I'm still having the same. You see my 500 should be hit. Yes, it should be traded. So making around 32,000 rupees. Let's see here. This candle is still to complete. It is yet to complete. 27 seconds left for this candle completion. This is a real trade in the live market with real profits. कैसे आप ट्रेलिंग करेंगे, कैसे आप एवरेज करेंगे. And you see it just missed it by 50 odd 0.5 paisa. So this candle we were waiting for to exit, and it is coming, and we should be Yeah, we got this executed. This is 32,000, 33,000 in front of you, and I will be exiting full now since we reached to the top. So I'm exiting this position from the market order, and I closed it into 32,000 rupees of net profit. This is the power of trailing and profit averaging into this particular trade without any emotional imbalance. We were balanced and we made up money, ended in money, and we enjoyed the full move on the upside. Yeah, I hope it made sense and you learned a lot from this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.